Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I rise to respond to the question asked by the Honourable Member this afternoon. That is to provide an update on the work that currently been undertaken. And there's two group centres, one at Nabouwalu and the other one at Keiyasi in Nabouwalu. Mr. Speaker, sir, the development of the two project sites is part of the Ministry's as well as Queensland Government's urban action plan to actually identify some of the group centres around our country. And it's the Ministry's objective is to actually come up with a proactive plan and also develop some of these centres into make them fully developed, fully fledged township in the future. Mr. Speaker, so the Nabouwalu New Town development is a landmark project for the province of Mbua. I'm certain the people of the Mbua, province of Mbua, as well as neighbouring areas, looking forward for the completion of this development. And it is specifically designed to transform Nabouwalu into a vibrant, sustainable and inclusive growth centre that will serve as a hub of economic growth, connectivity and innovation. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Queensland Government recognizes the importance of developing these townships in rural areas to diversify the economy and improve the standard of living for residents. These initiatives aim to uplift these regions by creating new employment opportunities and stimulating economic growth in these satellite towns, thereby enhancing and improving the quality of life for its residents. And central to this is the development of the Nabouwalu passenger terminal, which is a critical facility that will enhance connectivity and also boost trade and create more comfortable experience for those travel public that commute through Nabouwalu terminal. Currently, 50% of the terminal construction is completed, and we are on track to deliver this facility by March 2025. And this facility will provide very basic amenities, including 150 seating spaces for passengers, some kiosks, operational offices for agencies, and recreation spaces, ensuring convenience and comfort for all the users. The total project is around $2 million, of which $915,000 has been paid out. Mr. Speaker, sir, there will also be offices established in the Nabouwalu passenger terminal for essential services, including Biosecurity Authority of Fiji, Maritime Safety Authority, ticketing booths for the both operating companies, kiosks, as well as coffee shops. There will also be parking spaces for cars and buses embarking on the boat or waiting at the jetty, with also some playing spaces for children as well. The Speaker said also to maintain law and order in the town centre. There will also be a police post for the Fiji police force in the building. It means also in the process of advertising and also obtaining a forced sewer lease, in collaboration with Minister of Lands to secure the area from storm surges with coastal protection structures with an allocated budget of $500,000 for the 2024 and 2025 financial year. Mr. Speaker, sir, in parallel to this development, the town subdivision development of approximately 5.5 hectares is progressing, with 23 commercial lots, 4 civic lots, and 4 industrial lots planned to support businesses and essential services. The project cost is around $8.9 million, of which $3.2 million has been paid out. Phase 1 focuses on establishing 7 commercial lots along the Nabouwalu Highway, which is expected to be completed by the end of 2025. And to facilitate this development, the Ministry has allocated $500,000 in its annual program for the current fiscal year to continue essential civil works on the site. And to ensure that Nabouwalu becomes a model for sustainability, Mr. Speaker, sir, we are mandating the use of solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and other green infrastructure in the new developments. Only some challenges, Mr. Speaker, sir, such as land leases and creek diversion that are yet to be finalized. We're actively engaging with stakeholders, including the Ministry of Lands, Tauke Land Trust Board, and consultants to resolve them swiftly and ensure steady progress. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Keiyasi new town development in the Signatoka Valley is another transformative project. Covering 9.4 hectares, this development will provide essential services and infrastructure for the people of Keiyasi, the provinces of Nabouwalu, as well as all the surrounding communities. Estimated civil works cost of the project is $10.8 million. The project includes 27 commercial lots, 3 open spaces, reserves, bus stand, substation, and a national space for National Fire Authority, as well as industrial sites to meet or to support the needs of services and residents alike. And construction of civil works, Mr. Speaker, sir, began earlier this year, and we aim to complete phase 1 by 2026, focusing on 6 commercial sites, open spaces, and a service station. To support the town, improvements to Valley Road, including widening, road widening, footpaths, and streetlights are underway, ensuring safe and efficient access for residents and visitors. Additionally, Speaker, sir, we are collaborating with Water Authority of Fiji to upgrade the water supply system, meeting the needs of this growing community. And one of the very interesting feature about the development of Keiyasi, Mr. Speaker, sir, is this place becoming a economic center for people around the area. And every Thursday we have been told that we have been reliably advised that there's a shop in the Keiyasi at the moment where people always converge and do their trading on that particular day. And we see the potential of growing that and also developing Keiyasi to become a growth center, let it become a satellite town where we'll be able to stimulate a lot of economic activities within the area. And Mr. Speaker, sir, these projects demonstrate our coalition government's vision to bring growth and development to all regions in Fiji. And not only are these 2 sites, teams also identify some other possible sites within the country to ensure that we are able to produce centers, these growth centers, to fully fledged township later on in the future. And with careful planning and sustainable practices, we're not just building towns, we're just building hope, opportunity, and pride for future generations. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.